How to use Jackson Auto Candlestick Patterns. Drag and drop it on the screen. This window will pop up. Go on Input. We only have 2 input: skins and patterns. On skins, just choose any skin you like. It will auto change your chart property. Once you had done choosing a skin, go on pattern. We have a lot of powerful patterns. Choose one of them. You can even choose bearish patterns if you want the indicator notify you when it detect bearish patterns only. You have a choice to choose all patterns if you want it to notify you when it detect each of all patterns. It powerful when it combine with trend lines or levels. You can download auto levels or auto trend lines for free. Links on the descriptions. Enjoy!